Hi, I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, Tire, and Collision Staffing with another recruiting tip of the month. And because we know you're busy, we always try to make these short and direct to the point. So today we're going to talk about views versus applicants. And I get phone calls all the time from people that say, you know, Joe, I'm seeing a lot of views, but I don't have any applicants. And here's a simple reason why. We're in a 3% overall unemployment rate, and in our industries, there is no unemployment. Everybody's working. So when you have an ad out there, you have to keep in mind that if what they have already is no different than what you have as far as advertised as an opportunity, they're not going to apply. So what do you do about that? Well, you step up your game, so to speak, and we can help you with that. But here's some quick suggestions. First of all, always consider as high a sign-on bonus as you possibly can. If you don't work weekends, be sure and put that in there. If there's some remote work, be sure and put that in there. There's all sorts of things, but that'll help you get more applicants in as well. So call me 7 days a week, all the way up till 8:30 in the evening Eastern time every day, including Saturdays and Sundays, so we can help you. I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, and Tire, and Collision Staffing. Have a great business day.